What's up, YouTube? Today I got some great news for all you jailbreak fans out there. The Pangu team has released their iOS 11 jailbreak, and it works with all versions of iOS 11, including the new one, iOS 11.2.2 that I'm using here. And, well, let's jump right in. Now, this is actually quite an easy jailbreak, quite a fast jailbreak. So what you need to do is go to this address, pangu11.mobile. I will have the link in the description also. And here they will explain that how this works, and they will explain that you can't just install cydia on a device that has not been jailbroken. But you can, of course, install regular apps that Apple has approved. So the Pangu team found a smart way to hide cydia inside of approved applications. So the result is that you get an approved application that you can install, and when you launch that application, cydia and the jailbreak will start in the background. So when you start that up, the injected code will also start. And so go to this site, pangu11.mobile, then scroll to the bottom and click on this little icon down here at the bottom. Now this will take you to the injected apps store, all of these apps are of course 100% free. So what you need to do is simply go there and click to get to the App Store. And now this is a cydia and jailbreak injected app. So you simply download it, and then you need to start it and keep it running for about 30 seconds. Because when you run it, the jailbreak and cydia is being installed in the background. So if you close down this app too fast, then cydia and the jailbreak won't have time to install. So download an app, start it up, keep it running for about 30 seconds, and then reboot. And hopefully you will be jailbroken. Or rather, hopefully the jailbreak process will start when you reboot. And sometimes these apps get patched and no longer works. So usually it works within 2 or 3 apps, or 2 or 3 tries. But if this app doesn't work, then simply come back after a few minutes and click on the link to the App Store again, and you should hopefully get another random jailbreak injected app. And like I said, they are all free, of course, and this jailbreak is a fully untethered jailbreak, meaning you don't have to start any apps or anything every time your battery runs out. You can restart your device anytime you want, and cydia will be there and up and running. Or rather, cydia will be there and it will work as intended without you having to do anything. And now the jailbreak injected app should be done any second now. Oh, come on. Sometimes it takes a little while. But you don't need to do anything within the app. All you have to do is really start the app and keep it running for about 30 seconds. I don't know what the hell is happening here. Come on, get a move on. Hurry. There we go. Now we start the game, and right now the cydia and jailbreak is being installed in the background. So just wait a little more. And I think that should do it. Now we're going to power off our devices and power them on again. And hopefully, when the device has rebooted, we are jailbroken. You will see when the device is booting up if the jailbreak was a success or not. If you see the Pangu symbol, then you know the jailbreak has worked. So we shall know any second now. Like I said, all the apps are free, and this is a full untethered jailbreak, and if one app doesn't work, then it means that this has been patched. That's the Pangu symbol. That's a good sign. If the app has been patched, simply come back after a few minutes and you should get a new random jailbreak injected app. And sometimes it takes a few tries, but usually it works within 2 or 3 tries. Or, as in this case, works on the first try. And now we should have cydia. And that's it, folks. That's how easy it is to jailbreak the new iOS 11.2.2, or any version of iOS 11 for that matter. If you like this video, please do comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.